let's dig on into this unit from Hermosa Hair. Let me tell you something. She is giving everything, and we still gonna give her a little bit of body yaddy yaddy. Now I'm gonna see you guys on the other side.
You and I know you ain't about that life.
Well, hello, my beautiful babies. Thank you so much for joining me again. I am back, okay? And I'm here with another unit from Hermosa Hair. I'm actually super excited about this. I haven't had a unit from Hermosa Hair in a bit of time. So I'm excited to get into this. And she's a wear and go, easy breezy, beautiful throat, want to get the hell up out of here kind of unit. So first things first, I'm going to tell you we're going to jump into the wig, but I'm going to first tell y'all my lip combination because I find that y'all always asking me and I always forget. But in truth, I wear just about the same thing. So I am a MAC baby from way back. So I have MAC Chestnut. I was looking for the lip liner. I have MAC Chestnut as a lip liner. I am wearing Please Me, okay? Really, really pinky gloss along with Mauve Wise by Fenty. And then on top, I just put like a clear Makeup Revolution. So that's what we're working with today. Now let's get on into this unit. So you see her looking like she in a ring? Y'all scared? She looks like she's in the Mimi Tatum ring. So let me tell you the story behind this unit. So I actually I filmed this review a couple weeks ago while I was in LA. I was at a hotel. So I was like, oh, Joe's not here. Let me just kind of get this together, right? I don't know what happened, but none of the footage stayed. So your girlfriend is back with this unit. Okay, look at that. Okay, Hermosa Hair, she is stunning. Like, I'm really, really into this unit. She is a bone straight wig with an 8x5 lace. Okay, so she is already colored. She did come a little bit bright. I'm sorry I didn't get to show you guys that, but I lost my footage. So she is an 8x5 unit, okay, which I absolutely love. I think she is really beautiful. She comes on a dome cap with an adjustable strap. Now, she doesn't have combs. I think that's like something that I don't necessarily love, but that's only because I like the security of really wearing a wear and go unit, okay? So this unit for 26 inches, which I have here, is going for, and 180% density is going for $235. So after your discount code. Now, this is a big deal because I did another unit very similar to this one, from a different company that's more. So this unit is a much less expensive alternative to that wig. Look at her. Oh, baby. All right, let's show my baby's head on. Let me throw her on. My face already beat, so we just want to see what she looking like, just fresh out. And no, I don't have on a cap. I'm not really a cap girly. Like, I'm like, could I wear a cap? I guess, but I'm not really a cap girly. So this is her fresh out, okay? This brush. Okay. So this is her fresh out the pack. She really is beautiful. Like, I'm not joking with y'all. She is a vibe. Fresh out, okay? The part is crooked. I want to add a few layers in here. Does she need layers? No. Am I going to do it anyway? You know it. Oh. No judgment. So I'm just going to turn on my Hot Tools Professional Flat Irons, okay? And where's my straightening comb? It's always on the floor. Found her. Okay. We have our straightening comb. We're going to turn her on as well. And I'm just going to really make sure that we get a good part.
Okay, so first things first, let's admit that this unit is not fresh out the pack. She's really giving 2 or 3 weeks old. But guess what? That's not a problem here because sometimes you got to see the wear of a unit. It's really important when you're investing in hair that you know what she look like over time. And that's what I'm kind of giving you right here. So get into it. So this unit is the 8x5 glueless ready and go pre-cut lace closure wig. It is pre-bleached and the knots are plucked. We are super appreciative of that. This is a 26-inch unit. She's a 8x5 lace again, and she's 180% density. And we have a code that will be linked in the description box below so that you guys can take advantage of the discount. So you can get this unit less than $300. I'm just going through and adding in some layers. And this is more for me. I like a little body yada yada. You know what I mean? Sometimes the bone straight is sexy, but I really do give Elvira all the time. I'm just going through so you guys can see our little gifts. We got some makeup brushes, a cap, and some lashes. And I'm going to just go on through and just really straighten this unit out and curl her at the ends, okay? Flat iron, so I'm just to go on through and bump the ends just a tinge. Okay, and I really do like this. It was such an easy style, but I wanted to style her nonetheless. Now again, this is a bone straight unit. If that's what you're going for, Mrs. Adams, Morticia Adams, then this is the baby for you. But I wanted to give a little softness, a little love, a little sex, a little magic. You know what I mean? That's why I'm going through and taking my time and getting this unit together. So along with flat ironing this unit and just bumping the ends, I'm also going to go through and blow dry her out a bit. Now I'm using my Fantasia Spritz just to add a little bit of shine and hold to this unit, okay? And guess what? It made no difference. Like the hair didn't get stiff, which I love, and it also kept the body yaddy yaddy that I was going for. So this unit, I did have to darken up the knots, but again, that's something that you guys should do anyway. This is bleached, and just adding a little bit of color made her more realistic for me. So one of the things that I'm not a complete fan of is it not having combs or clips. That's a security thing for me. I'm rough and tough with my Afro puff, so sometimes, I need a little bit extra security, all right, with mine. Somebody might run up and snatch my wig off. The girls is doing that these days. So I'm just going on through. I'm going to use my Euclid air dryer to actually go through and just add a little bit more bounce to our layers. And then I'm going to show my Mimi tap mouth. I think I've done it, okay? The texture of the hair is like a nice, thick, yucky, like silky, and I think you get that from that 180% density. It's really giving, okay? And then it really didn't tangle. She didn't shed at all, and the head is bigger than you could ever imagine, okay? I got her all the way tied up in the back. So I'm gonna show my Mimi's head and mouth, and I'm gonna see you beautiful mother jumpers on the other side.
Love this hair. I love this Euclid air, what do they call this, an air dryer thingy. I love this hair. I love this hair. I love this hair. I love this hair. I think this unit is really beautiful. Again, this unit is from Hermosa Hair. We went through, added some curls because we just like curls for the girls, and she's giving Dominican blowout. Okay, look at that. Look at how beautiful that hair looks. She is just moving. Let me turn around. Can you guys see the smoky hair, or is it just me? Didn't I hate is the wig. I done fried her, dyed her, laid her to the slide. She is flipped and thrown, okay? I done flipped that ass, hit that ass, dipped that ass, and got that ass together. Are you hearing me? And she is moving like a complete Dominican blowout. A complete Dominican blowout. I love this unit, okay? So again, this is an 8x5 lace closure unit. So look at how much parting space we get. You could really just do her. Oh, look at that. Stunning. Look at the lace. It really is I love the lace. So let me tell you what I'm not like 100% on. So I love the lace. I love the unit. Okay, I think she's beautiful. I think she's giving. What I don't like is that it doesn't have combs. I need combs, but that's a personal thing. A lot of people do not like those foreign objects in their wigs. And I get it. The clips, the combs, some people don't like it. I love it. I love it because I love glueless units. I need to know mother is up on my Mimi Tatum head, just in case I want to be flipped and thrown my Mimi Tatum stuff. Are you picking up what I'm putting down? Like sometimes you gotta like give her what she needs, and I feel like I don't know. I feel like that's really what she's missing. I think this unit looks really stunning. I think that I love that we were able to use our air dryer to kind of get her together. I love an easy curl. I love a sexy, effortless look. There's no secret there. You guys know how I am. This unit took very well to heat, very well to product. We all know those units that is a little synthetical. You put a little bit of product and it get caked up. That's not what happened here. I'm not a big product user anyway, but it didn't happen. Okay, this unit, I'm just outdone. I'm outdone. Look, she's glueless. Mother's glueless. Okay, glueless, and I'm just doing my thing, living a life. And she is just going there with me. And I am obsessed. I'm obsessed. I don't know if y'all can even understand how good this looks. I'm looking at myself here. Disgusting. Perfection. And all she did was take a little love, sex, and magic. And the truth is she didn't even need it. I'm going to insert a clip earlier where I just kind of just blew her out, did my thing, and laid her down. And she looked perfectly fine. But it was nice to kind of play in her a little bit. It was really nice. So this unit, again, is 26 inches. She is affordable, okay? So for 26 inches at 180% density, you can get this unit for under $250 if you use the code in my description box. So make sure you guys are checking that out because it's, let me tell you something. She's worth it. Less than $250, 26 inches, guys. So I'm going to shut my Mimi Tatum out because I think I did it. Like, I think I did it. She is, she didn't shed. She did not tangle at all, which was kind of surprising because, like I said, I manipulated her quite a bit. And you guys all know, like, when you're manipulating units, sometimes you lose some hair, whatever the case may be. No. She did exactly what I wanted her to do. Y'all know I love some feminine. Shut your mouth. I love a unit you could throw on and go. I love a unit you could throw on and go. I love a unit you could throw on and go. Go. And that's what Hermosa Hair gave us today. So I don't have anything else to say. I'm going to take some pictures for you guys. And then I'm going to see you beautiful mother jumpers on the other side. So I don't have much of anything else to say. I'm going to take some pictures for you guys. And then I'm going to see you beautiful mother jumpers on the other side.